shouldn't be outside. Me and my brother are only home. I don't know what to do. Dude, I don't. What is, okay, I'm scared. There's a tornado like 7 miles away from us.
East.
Turn on the news, you dumbass!
I am.
Dude, we have to go in the basement. We have to go in the basement. We have to go to the basement. We have to go to the basement, man. I gotta go to the basement. We gotta go to the basement. Go. Let's go. We gotta go to the basement. We gotta go to the basement, no one. Turn on the TV! Where's the TV? Dad, where you put the damn TV remote? Motherfucker. Dude, this is scary because mom's not even home. We're the only two home. Dude. Oh my gosh, God. Where's the freaking... Fuck! What the fuck? Oh my gosh! We need a TV remote. Oh, it's right here.
Dumbass.
Okay, I gotta go upstairs and do a couple things, okay?
Fuck. Is this still 4?
What?
Is this still 4?
What? Change it to channel 5. I'll be back. I don't know. What the fuck? Oh my gosh, guys. You guys have no idea how scared I am right now. I don't think I should be outside. I do not think I should be outside. What do we do? Marvin, let's go. We have to call Mom. We gotta call Mom. Marvin, I'm flipping out here. I don't know what to do, man. We're the only ones home. What the fuck? Oh, where's the stupid phone at? Where's the stupid phone at? Fuck Nebraska. I'm fucking moving. I'm tired of this shit. I'm moving, Marvin. We're moving after this. If there is an actual tornado, did you get the channel? Channel 5. We may have to watch it. We might have to watch it in the room. Oh, the tornado siren stopped.
Central Douglas County, southwest Central Douglas County,
woo!
On up to the north central part of the state there, or the county.
Marvin, give me the tripod.
144th Street. That's the same exact area I was pointing out. The storm has strengthened in the last 5 minutes here, so as this is really continuing to move off to the north here, and as John's into some of our severe weather modes, you can definitely see there's a lot of spotty nature to that.
Guys, don't go to Nebraska.
So we're watching that.
Just don't. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, you hold on to this.
Sheer mode you're in right there.
Oh my gosh. Actually, we can set this down for now. Film this. When is it coming? This? You see this? Hunger 68 in Central? You see that? That's by Mako's in Walmart. Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! This is awesome. I don't see it, but... Oh! That's the clouds. Okay, Village Point. You see that's Village Point right there. Village Point by Dodge. Hunger 8th. Yeah, I mean Hunger 68. Is that Village Point right there? Village Point is right here, but the storm is right there. So it's by Village Point. Exactly.
Is it actually touchdown?
They said they haven't filmed. I don't know if they have filmed reports. Look at all the warnings. I gotta film this. We gotta film this broadcast. Is it? Did it even touch them? They're gonna what? Did it touch them? No. Oh shit! I need shoes on. If tornado come, I have to run.
This is the serious part of the storm right now. And again, I apologize for coming with broken information.
Oh shit! This is scary.
Okay, hold on to this. Yeah, it's my Village Point.
Concerning as well as the Boytown area. It's difficult to get a very firm grasp on this because it is so close to the radar site, but this appears to be the place where that rotation, and again, it is rotation. It's a rotation.
We gotta call Mom. Okay, watch off. Is it? I'll call her in a second. Let me just put this camera on the tripod and film it. Oh shit. Just. very close to us. Like 2 miles from us. Oh! It's only...
Is that what they're giving us?
It says 103rd. I wonder if they don't mean 100.
Probably 130.
30th, yeah. But, yeah.
Oh shit. What do you feel about this right now? I don't know.
But,
Dude, we've never... Like, we've seen a tornado before. But, like, we haven't seen it, like, really close.
Very close to the Boys Town area. The public is indicating a funnel cloud. That would be 1 mile to the southeast of Boys Town itself. Folks around Boys Town should be seeking shelter at this time. And again, this is...
Good, we should be in shelter.
And
No, the
east.
tornado sound stops.
So, those of you that
No,
are
if the tornado sound stops, you don't have to be in shelter.
near Dodge Street, Blondo Street, or
those
live in
Jordan?
those vicinities, those neighborhoods.
Guys, I hope you're safe if you live in Iowa or Nebraska or something like that, Colorado. Oh my gosh, this is scary as fuck.
Again,
I'm sorry I said fuck,
just to the east of the Boys
but-
Town area, we're thinking 132nd.
Should I film this?
And moving up across north of center, across Dodge and Blondo. And the radar has taken a little more structure here, looking a little bit more ominous. As you can see, a little more of this kind of curvature to this. And it's interesting because what we're looking at over by Stanton, Iowa, we have those tall...
I'm gonna go outside. Yeah.
I want to see what's outside. I'll hold that as well.
Right now, it really doesn't look that bad, but I think over there is like
It's by Light Hill, like legit. Like 3-4 miles. What direction?
this is going south.
South. No, 3-4. Oh no, we're going inside.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. We'll see.
Jovi. Angel. Yeah.
A little bit east and northeast of Boys Town, and potentially kind of up toward the southeast side of Bennington. You can see the updated outline for that tornado warning, again, including streets off to the northeast.
Did it even touch
And once again, so far, radar indicated we did have a visual. We have a funnel cloud. I have not heard of anything touching down yet, but again, this is a very developing situation. Things happen quick with this, and the radar probably not really doing this story.
If you guys don't know, but
As it
Omaha's
continues to kind of show
weather
how
happens
moving everything
fast.
up a little close to the radar,
What?
and also giving the
Okay.
unusual character.
Oh,
of this particular
dude, look,
upper level
dude,
I got
we're
some more there too.
the only one is here.
We're the only two at our house, guys. This is scary. Wow, okay?
Dude, we should do the thing, you know how in school we like put our... Dude, we should go down. Go to the floor.
Oh.
Shelter right now.
Hello? Tonight, they get me, huh?
No, it didn't.
No, we can't get in Village Point, bro.
It didn't go down. They don't know if it went
Village
down.
Point.
No,
32nd, that was about 5 minutes ago.
Going down
Once again, there are spotters
Do not,
out there.
but silent.
You can see the ominous skies
It's silent.
and our sky cams there, but certainly nothing distinct touching down just from these pictures.
Oh, man, put together fuel. We did put fuel. And Village Point, bro.
my gosh. this is
Village
scary.
Point. And Kakao, like, Grandpa. Like, the big, like, let's buy Best Buy. Hey, yo, I mean, you're again, but I don't know.
No one said it. It fell yet. They don't know if they did.
No, I'm in G50. Mango, man.
Well, okay, leave that there. So like,
And
fuck. I'm sorry. But, oh my gosh. Whoops. Sorry, okay, what's the Jordan? What's the controller?
oh, it's back in the
Okay.
Bobby, give me the charger of the camera. I'm about to die.
Charger. Oh, okay. Dude, I don't even know what to say right now. This kid. This is scary. This is so scary. Oh my gosh. I've never really used this TV too much, so I don't know. I hope all of you are safe. Hope no one dies in this storm. My gosh, this is scary. Whew. We're probably gonna be the only ones. We're probably the only kids responsible for this stuff, you know, because we're the only ones here, you know. Okay, you're not charging it.
That's not it.
Oh, that's not it.
That's not it. I'm about to just take this out and film.
I don't even know which channel it is. Maybe it's
Check HDMI's. Wait, go back to that channel you were just in. Go back to that channel that you were just on.
Yeah.
Because that, you can, where's the Cox remote? Doesn't that have Cox downstairs? Maybe he hasn't hooked it up. If he hasn't hooked it up, we can't watch TV downstairs.
Oh.
Oh, fudge. Yo, I don't think he did. I don't think he did.
He can watch on his computer if you know his password. Dude, if the tornado comes, I'm gonna be right here.
He said a tornado touches down 144th and Central.
What is that?
By West, what is it called? Oakview, no, not Oakview. Westwood Mall. It's by Westview. What is it that's what called? Oh no, Oakview Mall. 144th and Central, Oakview Mall. It's by what is it called? The V is, the bowling alley is.
Holy shit, I hear the thunder.
I'm trying to think of where else you guys
Okay,
know
just go. Just go. You gotta go, man.
This is scary for 2 kids. The tornado sounds did go off in this area. And I think he might come back. Oh, that's a tornado! That's a tornado!
What?
That's a tornado!
What? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
That's a tornado! That's a tornado! That's a tornado! That's a fucking That's a fucking tornado!
It's what the fucking building?
That's a fucking no! Go film that shit! What are you doing?
Dude, this is not safe.
Ryan, if I could jump in, this is the Dodge Expressway. You see traffic going east and west at this point.
That's
roughly at 132nd and Dodge. That's the Carson Wealth Financial Building there.
Oh my gosh.
4 stories of that building. There is basement access as well. So at this time of day, you would have a lot of people in the various buildings on floor 1, 2, 3, and 4 in that building who would presumably need to take shelter in the basement.
Give me the extension cord! I need the extension cord! I need the extension cord!
Just get that one.
What the hell? Dude, that's a tornado! I've never seen a tornado! I've never fucking seen a fucking tornado!
Dude,
this is bullshit!
This is so scary! Oh my gosh!
Yo, what the hell?
I don't want to die!
You know how that's 7 miles away from us.
I'm too old.
No, not 7. 10 miles.
I'm too old to die, right? But I'm only 11. Oh my gosh! I'm sorry if I'm shaking the camera. Oh! Because I'm so like look. Dude, it's going back! Look! What the fuck? Who the fuck is that? It's coming up! Who the fuck? Who is that? Who is that? Just go. Just go down now! Shit! Jordan! Go downstairs here! Come with me! Come with me! Oh shit! Come on. Fabian! Oh. Okay. Gosh. Please, God. Jordan. Dude, that's so fucked up.
But this shit is close.
Dude, it's like fucking 3 miles away. Jordan, I'm talking to Fabian right now. No, I'm talking to him right now. Dude, this is fucked. This is fucked. Yo. Give me this. Okay. I want to go outside and film a little bit. This is fucked. There's a tornado on 132nd and Dodge. Seek shadow, you dumbasses. Get in your houses. Oh my. I don't want to be outside, but the tornado's like 12 miles away from us. 12? But it's going this way, so hopefully it doesn't go back here. If it goes back here, we're dead. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that. Oh, fuck! Fuck! Bullshit! Nebraska! I'm gonna kick your ass!
She just said it's lifted.
That's a confirmed tornado. That's a tornado touchdown. That's a huge tornado. Did you guys see that? It's still there. Dude.
Yes, tornado moving through now is the text message I have received.
Oh, it's not filming anymore.
132nd and Blondo has been affected. There is damage there, potential injuries as well. So again, that location near 132nd and Blondo, not far from Boys Town, but someone on the ground near Boys Town telling me they saw it through move through the Boys Town campus just moments ago.
I'm coming.
Craig, probably within the last 5 to 10 minutes.
The camera is not filming anymore.
Reports numerous ones of that large tornado on the ground. Obviously, there's been damage done with this. We hopefully not too much in the way of injuries, but at least as of right now, it has lifted back in the sky. The rotation's
fuck is this? Oh, that's light.
The
camera's not filming anymore. It's full.
Radar still seeing some circulation, but obviously we went through about a 5 or 10 minute period there. Funnel cloud touching down, increasing, turning into a large tornado. And Craig, as you just said, some damage done there again. It's kind of in that area right around Boys Town, up across, say 132nd to 144th between Dodge and that seems to be the track of this, and again, we'll get more confirmation on that. But obviously, we had the visual Mean Streets. We took their Twitter feed and their video, and
it will be fun. I know exactly. If the tornado does come in this area, we'll go downstairs. We're fine right now.
Just north. Very ominous situation. Fortunately, at least right now, and again, the threat's not over, but things have weakened just a little bit. But I'll caution you this: a lot of times these storms kind of cycle back through, and what that means is they kind of redevelop. They kind of run their course. Obviously, a large tornado touching down here in Omaha just a few minutes ago, and what happens is this will kind of broaden out, and then we may see this actually redevelop. And with this type of storm almost moving from south to due north, it would be the southwest side of that storm. So again, if you live up along 680 toward the Irvington exit, back across.
That's what that is. What? No, wait, that's not the tornado. What the fuck are you talking about? Wait, what? That could be another one forming, though. Whoa. What the fuck? Dude, I think there was one. Dude, I think we should talk to our neighbors. Are you fine? Oh, this is scary. Okay. Call Dad. Call Dad? Yeah. Okay, Fabian, I'll talk to you later. We're gonna go inside.
You can see the ominous clouds.
No.
Saying that the circulation on radar had lifted.
What's Dad's number?
Their spotters out there.
Don't say
National Weather Service.
No, I'm gonna get the phone and call
saying that the tornado had lifted back into the sky. So at least as of the last few minutes, that is certainly good news. Okay, we're still looking at the possibility of hail with this storm. It still potentially has a tornado threat. The tornado warning does continue again. North central, northeastern parts of Douglas County, around Bennington and east. Northeast of Boys Town, that's a concern, really right along I-680 and just to the northwest of there toward Irvington, that exit. That would be a huge concern. So this is going to cycle back through and redevelop. That's where we could potentially see another touchdown. Right now, the
storm has weakened a little bit. Yeah, I know. Was that lightning? Okay, I'm going inside. I don't know if that was lightning, whatever that was. I'm going inside.
Still no visible rotation.
Fuck! I can't reach Dad. He's not picking up the phone. Yeah, that's the call. It's full.
Service, and once again, even our own radar, exclusive microwave radar, showing.
Wait, can I actually film without it?
Intense circulation we once did, but you can still see a couple notches here.
This is the
and
car?
if this thing were to strengthen and cycle back through and redevelop, this would be kind of the area.
We gotta be social up stuff.
Or just east of Bennington,
Stuff like that,
and now we're getting north of Military Road. Here's 680 back down to the southeast a little bit. Blair
I knew
High
today
Road.
was a bad day.
And okay,
They've been talking about this for
It has
weeks.
expired. It's
Okay,
4
now
o'clock.
maybe
That was
2
set.
weeks.
Now we wait and see what the National Weather Service does with that. I heard the sirens just shut off outside here at the station. Again, they could.
Oh, so they're not even taking
There is
cover.
still rotation with this. It has a nasty history of producing a large tornado.
can't they
at least
just
from a
do
5
it
to
in,
10
like,
minute
the
stretch,
basement?
again from around 132nd
they should
center,
do one.
moving
This is gonna be a
eastward,
scary
east of
night.
Boys Town up across Dodge, 144th and 4th seem to be the area where it's
I don't
starting
think I
to
can
lift just
see
a little
tonight, to
bit.
be
So,
honest.
as of right now, the tornado warning, we just got the update, has officially expired, but we'll wait. Again, kind of a serious situation. Now, on another positive note, east of us, severe thunderstorm warning out for Fremont, no longer a tornado warning, and the tornado warning also expiring for Montgomery County. We were giving that a lot of attention to the northeast of Stanton, and obviously things got very busy right in the heart of our very
Hi, this is
populated
Jordan,
Omaha
and I
metro,
just want
so,
to talk to my dad.
that had to take a little bit of precedence there, but right now, they're all severe thunderstorm warnings.
Because that is very close to the tornado.
And again,
Very close. Like it's in its path.
Northeast.
Well, it used to be. They said the storm weakened, so they said it's not on the ground anymore. But if it was on the ground, it could have hit him.
Again, this would be the area of concern if this were to redevelop.
No, stop.
The rotation is broadened a little bit, and at least this weekend down toward.
We could have anything, you know? Get the computer and record if you want.
6'8". Boy, Jim, I bet you got a knife.
Here,
What
put
do
it
you
on.
got for us?
So it won't
I actually saw the original tornado, Ryan, was around 132nd. I was actually
Look at
going
my
up
eyes right now.
120th. And for the folks that are wondering why I'm not in there, I am contagious with influenza B.
at least
So
if we
that's
die,
the reason I
at least I
couldn't
smell
come in and
flesh.
help out. But I decided to hop in the truck and run north. Right now, my current location is 120th
Is Fabian calling back?
military. That there's still a lowering
It's
out
calling
here.
me here, but I can't pick it up.
It's not your classic
I'm filming.
wall cloud. There have been 2 areas just to the west of about 120th and military. There is still a lowering there, even a poorly defined wall cloud, and then it's kind of stratiform off to the north and east of it.
Stop,
But
baby.
the tornado, when the original warning was put out,
That's the highway that takes to go. Legit, that's a
dude. The tornado is like by my dad
almost
right
down
now.
to the ground. It wasn't. I couldn't quite make.
Yeah, it is. It's by Ivington.
Dude, he walks right by me.
I'm telling no, Fabian, it's by Ivington. My dad works in Ivington, and the tornado is by, like, legit, just right by Ivington, right there.
Probably about 15, 20 minutes ago.
He works at Force Data. He works at Force Data, and it's in
There's still a
Ivington.
bit of a lowering. Like again, it doesn't have that classic appearance.
You go talk to
of
me.
I
can't hear you guys. I'm filming this. Go talk to them somewhere else.
Becoming more scud-like, those scud clouds that we
You know what that is? You know the church, the African church we go to? It's legit, like, the white African church like that.
die out and
I know exactly where they are. Oh my gosh, you're getting so much rain there.
It bears watching, but it's nowhere near what it was earlier. And I don't know if you guys have seen any of the pictures that have come in yet, but there was
That's the high view right there.
funnel, and like I said, if it
Left,
didn't
on
make
the
it to
left.
the ground, it came awfully close.
No,
because,
we're fine. The tornado
like I
is
said, I
past
could
us a
visually
little
see
bit.
it.
If it turns back around, they say it turns back around, we're going
All right,
inside.
Jim. Hey, actually, I got some new information for you. You're kind of right on it. You described that scud or that lowering. This is actually from a REACT spot.
Yeah, I can't pick up.
It's going to touch down
We're
again?
watching that now at 144th and State Street. The
eyes are so
rotating
wide
funnel,
right now.
maybe the scud, kind of what you were talking about there. They're keeping an eye on the storm.
He won't
Old
have full
circulation's
stand.
gone. That produced a large
Ivington.
tornado. Broad rotation, sucking a little scud out of the south. So that may be watched. It's a little south, the original. rotation.
That's Ivington, right there, right there, Ivington, right
And,
there,
once again,
right there, right
we'll
there.
get some information on that. Radar actually showing that,
No,
maybe
but
trying to
there was
recycle
no
and
tornadoes
reorganize a
either.
little bit up again.
Surprisingly.
Looks like around
Surprisingly.
Bennington and just to the east. And Craig, you have some updated information on the history of this.
The 2 important pieces of information right now, Ryan. Number 1, from Boys Town, my contact out there tells me there was a funnel cloud out at Boys Town.
Wait, what?
People were driving either through it or near it. While there may be some damage, it appears at this point there are no injuries. But it appears that there was a fire on the campus of Boys Town. People in that entire corridor, that 132nd to 144th near the Dodge Expressway, and what would be south of there, witnessed it. Secondly, we had a Twitter picture of the Carson Wealth Management Building, 132nd and the Dodge Expressway, just west of what would be the Lindenwood Hy-Vee.
The building get destroyed?
We had what appeared to be a tornado to the north of the Carson Wealth Management Building. I have just spoken, text messaging with someone who is in the basement in that building. They have gotten all the employees from that building, the Carson Wealth Management Building, near 132nd and West Dodge, from all four floors of the building into the basement. And my source in the basement tells me that everybody is down there now. They are safe. And they're very aware of the situation right outside their walls.
Okay, and Craig, that's great information, and so far good news, because it's a very serious situation.
Oh, that's my full Calhoun.
An unusual situation to see a storm this strong with this type of setup. We had temperatures in the 50s most of the afternoon. We're looking at a lot of self-made dynamics and rotation with this particular upper level low, and that's why we went from no severe thunderstorm warning to a tornado warning like that. We had circulation indicated by radar, then we had the funnel spotted, and then what appeared to be, at least for several minutes, a large tornado on the ground. And we thank Mean Streets for their tweet video. Great stuff. And it was exactly where Craig was talking about. It looks like the threat as far southwest as 132nd and Dodge area has probably diminished. But as I was just telling Jim, he's out chasing this. As you get up to 144th and State, it looks like potentially the storm's trying to cycle back through. And what I mean by that is it kind of runs, these thunderstorms run their course, and then they start to strengthen. Again, there's a lot of turbulence in the atmosphere. We may be seeing a secondary circulation develop. Last I've seen here, and again, I've been talking to a couple people here from the Weather Service. Barb doing a good job relaying us information on our chat. Just some reports of maybe some scud or a small funnel trying to redevelop.
We're home alone.
We don't have a tornado warning. They have not reissued that yet. That's great news. And so far, it looks like the situation is a little weaker, but we have to watch this because this thing could be strong again. In fact, you can see all that heavy rain. That's what we're actually looking at on radar there. The intensity of that rain, still a hail threat, potentially at the further size. And again, if we see the circulation redevelop, that could certainly be something to be concerned with. John, are you getting some new information?
My dad, the tornado's right by my dad right now.
Some are indicating that there is they're sitting at 156 in military. This is from the National Weather Service. Barb's on the chat there. Continues to. There's a lot of scum clouds that are flowing into that, so there is a lot of suction to this storm, a lot of rotation that's bringing up. There's occasional reports of debris. One reports of possibly a rotating funnel with that, but doesn't look like anything on the ground right now. Certainly still a very strong storm, and I guess right now we're beyond the 144th area. This
you want to say hi and donut today?
I say close to Cunningham Lake or in that area, Highway 36, up around that area too. So, but right now, a very, very strong situation right now. Craig.
Getting word from that location, 132nd near the Dodge Expressway, that the people who took cover in the basement of that financial building where other businesses are housed are now coming out of the basement, and I'm told that it appears the storm is now moving north of that location, so that would certainly be somewhat synchronized with what you two guys are seeing on radar and what you're seeing on the chat, correct?
Absolutely, Craig, this is kind of the area we're talking 144th State. That was a few minutes ago, and John and I were looking at this going, it's probably even a little north of that. The whole cluster of storms is moving north at about 20. We don't have a tornado warning up that way. The circulation, though, there is still some spin on radar. It has weakened. The Weather Service is watching that very closely, and again, they are actually the ones that put out these warnings. We just kind of relay that information. Obviously, we have radar. We're experts in reading that and delivering that information, but we are kind of watching what they're watching, so we all have several pairs of eyes on this. I do want to point out this. We actually have a severe thunderstorm warning, again, in the midst of all the action, if you will, across central and northwestern parts of the metro. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning that does include downtown Omaha and Council Bluffs, and then back to southeast. This was that other cluster of storms we were watching, and this needs to be watched very carefully because, again, we're in a volatile situation where there's a lot of spin in the atmosphere, and certainly you can see something spin up and see that once.
I don't even know what's
obviously that went
happening like that,
from
to be honest.
not much to radar indicated to a funnel cloud to a large tornado, at least for several minutes on the ground. So we need to watch that.
Don't say
obviously, our threat over here is we move from
if you want to die,
northeast
say,
into Council Bluffs.
I don't know if
Potentially
you're
back
gonna
into
die,
downtown would be hail.
if you do believe in God,
gusty winds also a situation, but like we've seen, we need to have our guard up here because certainly if these storms strengthen and run to the right part of the atmosphere, as we've already seen here, they can turn tornadic, and we've actually seen that. Unfortunately, again, just north and east of Boys Town on up, as you said, Craig doing a good job there, 132nd Dodge, and fortunately lifting at about 144th and 4th. Craig, you're continuing to get new information.
Yeah, Ryan, just to try to isolate the location of where this funnel cloud / tornado touched down, I've just been in touch with Douglas County Sheriff Tim Dunning. The sheriff's office, as you know, is located at 156th and Maple. That's roughly a 5-minute drive to Boys Town. The sheriff told me that they had, it was cloudy, light rain, no wind, pea-sized hail. So that's at 156th and Maple, Boys Town at 144th near the Dodge Expressway. Like I said, roughly a 5-minute drive. And so I would imagine that just shows you how isolated the worst part of the storm really was. That there was a funnel cloud on the campus of Boys Town, and yet a short distance away, just to the northwest, cloudy, light winds, pea-sized hail.
And it's an unusual situation, Craig, because we were talking about that original funnel on the campus. We broke at 132nd and Center, which would actually be a little southeast. And then jogging back almost due north up 132nd, and then if my information's right on the chat, kind of looking back on 144th and 4th. So if not one, maybe two circulations, but kind of almost taking an arcing path, originally northeast and then going back to the northwest. We'll get more confirmation on that with the track. And again, this is me looking at the radar and going off the information of sightings. Now, sometimes you may be a block or two away see it, so that's where the report comes in. But basically, this thing was moving due north up 132nd. Look at
the video we had, that Twitter shot from the Carson building near 132nd and the Dodge Expressway. The tornado pretty much would have had to jump the expressway and continue on that northeast type track.
And we were getting reports that it was jumping or skipping, and that is very, very common with this.
Anyway,
video, or the Mean Streets video, the Twitter video there, it was a large tornado at that time, and that was right there, what you were talking about at about 132nd. So, and again, we'll see the track when it comes out. There's the original video. This again, what is about 15 minutes ago. This is when it was at its height. And what I'm saying is I'm guessing this was somewhere between 144th, 132nd. And
this was the tornado that originally touched down.
Well, we don't know confirmation on how wide the path was yet. Fortunately, we don't, at least as of now, and Craig, correct me if I'm wrong here, because again, this is all breaking news and weather information. Any reports of injuries, at least at Boys Town, the folks inside the building here at the Carson Wealth building, they were in the basement, they've come out, they're okay, so that's good news, because that's right behind them.
And that building, as you can see, I'm stating the obvious here, but it is worth mentioning, that building has a lot of windows.
Yes, it does.
If you have an office on the 4th floor, you overlook everything to the west, you overlook the Dodge Expressway, you overlook the Boys Town campus just to your south. It's one of the attractions of that building is the scenic view. So these people would have seen the tornado / funnel cloud coming in from the Boys Town area, and as I mentioned, everybody on those 4 floors in those businesses did get to the basement. They did heed the warning, and I've been told by somebody inside that building that everybody is safe. They are now emerging from the basement as that storm has pushed by.
The interesting thing is, and again, this is Mean Streets giving us Twitter video and their direction here, and you can't really judge exactly the distance. They're not far, but you see, like Craig was saying, on the expressway there, traffic going by like there's nothing going on. So again, maybe that threat was obviously a little bit north on that point, but obviously a serious situation. And again, that's why we say stay away from windows. Fortunately, it looks like the structure in the building, they're okay. All right, we have Lindsay out of 144th and State. This was the last report potentially where the storm was strengthening. Oh wow, look at that, Linz. Describe what you're going with out there.
kind of near that 144th and State intersection, and as you look up, you can see these skies and clouds are definitely looking pretty ominous. The route that we kind of took to go out there was a lot of where, Ryan, you were saying that you had seen a lot of that activity on radar. You can see some lightning right now. We kind of headed out west up 4th Street all the way up 144th and kind of came back down here through State. We haven't seen that much precipitation. It's pretty dry right now, a little bit of light rain, no hail, but you can definitely tell, looking up into the sky as you see these dark clouds, that there's a lot of activity still kind of going on. One thing that I have also seen a lot of is a lot of folks out trying to snap pictures. If you don't have to be out in this, please be safe in case something does happen and it does get worse. This is not the type of thing you want to be out in. Right now my photographer Jason Boyd is driving so that we can make sure we get you these pictures safely. But as we're heading back east now, down 140, or I'm sorry, now we're near 135th and State. The rain is kind of picking up a little bit stronger here, but as you're looking up, you're seeing a lot of activity in these clouds, and I dare not remark more than what I'm seeing because I am not a meteorologist, so I'll leave that up to
All right, Lance, thanks for the report there again. You're in some pretty inclement weather. Be safe, because one thing I want to point out here is you saw the rain and a lot of ominous-looking clouds. Her view can be obstructed very easily, so we're going to watch that. Once again, we do have some showers and storms redeveloping farther to the southwest. Right now, they're not severe, but unfortunately, that may be right over the area where that tornado touched down. You can see heavy clusters of storms refiring from that 132nd Dodge area back into Boys Town, so watch that even toward Millard. I believe we have Miranda out at Lake Manawa, and this is actually another interesting storm. We've been pointing this out as I kind of pan down across downtown, right down into this area here. Once again, there you can see Lake Manawa. This is a storm the National Weather Service is watching. It's got a severe thunderstorm warning with it, but it does at least have some potential with some stronger rotation to certainly be of concern for a possible tornado to develop. So Miranda, be safe out there. What are you seeing at the current time here?
So far, all we've seen is rain. We've seen a little bit of hail, but it was probably maybe half a dozen pieces that fell into our car. Don't know if you just heard that thunder. A lot of thunder and lightning. That and rain is all we've seen. About 20 minutes ago, we just got downpoured on, so it's been this stop and go heavy rain. The winds aren't too bad right now, though. You'll get a couple big gusts come along, but the story is the rain. We've seen some huge puddles piling up, by the storm drains that just can't handle all this water. We haven't seen anything else so far. Those little pieces of hail every now and then, like I mentioned, but really it's just been rain. There's a lot of cars out. I'm sure we were out at the shopping center just up east of us here, and I think a lot of people were trying to get home and beat this storm right now, so we're being careful. We're at a gas station here. That way we can duck under cover somewhere if we need to, so we'll keep you updated as we're out here. I'm trying to get on Twitter and update you as much as I can, so you guys will keep watching us and let us know if we need to go anywhere. But the rain right now is pretty mellow, but like I said, it'll come downpour on us. Thunder, lightning is all we're seeing right now, so back to you guys.
All right, Miranda, thanks for that. Again, that is a pretty serious storm. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for that part of the area, mainly for hail. And once again here, Craig, you've got some updated information on some reports out around Boys Town.
Yeah, the aftermath of what roared through. A contact of mine just got off the phone with an administrator out at Boys Town. There was some hail there, no wind damage to report. Ryan, I texted back, any tornado touchdown, anybody hurt? And the reply I received was, no, only a funnel cloud. Also saw a video of a funnel cloud over Bennington. So that's what we're hearing out by Boys Town, that it was a funnel cloud. I know we were reporting potential touchdown at Boys Town. We saw the Twitter video out by 132nd and the Dodge Expressway. So there might be a little disparity in terms of terms.
And I'll tell you what, Craig, that was kind of when this tornado warning first went out. The radar didn't really show a whole lot. Again, I caution sometimes these scans can be as old as 5 minutes. And the information initially coming in got more aggressive, more ominous. And then when we got the confirmation with the video, it certainly backed it up. But yeah, at least funnel clouds reported in several parts right up that corridor. And then obviously the Mean Streets Twitter video really backing up large tornado on the ground. Still some concern up around the Bennington area here. We actually have Nick, because again, as you go east of Bennington across State Street there, reports of maybe a circulation trying to redevelop. Nick, again, it looks like you're in a decent spot here, but what have you been experiencing kind of coming up behind this thunderstorm here?
Ryan, yeah, we're in Bennington. We're heading north. Here in Bennington, we stopped at a gas station not too long ago, and you could hear sirens about 20 minutes ago. It didn't last long though. But sirens were sounding here in the town of Bennington, and a lot of people at the gas station we were at just moments ago were a little frightened. They didn't know what to do. But there has been a lot of rain, a lot of lightning, mostly to the east right now of Bennington as I turn here to east on 36. But there's still a lot of those low-hanging clouds, a lot of rain. We just drove into the town of Bennington now where we just got out of it, and it seems like everyone's going pretty safe on the roads here. But again, just be cautious. There's been a lot of people on the side of the road taking pictures and that sort of thing, but make sure you are safe while doing it. It's not hailing right now. It was earlier though, but right now from our area that we're at, again, we're probably just north of Bennington right now on Highway 36 going eastbound. Right now just rain. It was a lot darker about 10 minutes ago, but things have pretty lightened up. I'll probably head back into town here again just to make sure, but yeah, that's what it stands out right here in Bennington. A lot of rain, but so far I don't see any signs of damage.
All right, Nick Starling, thank you so much. New report, I just talked to Omaha Public Schools. I saw some comments on Facebook, people saying what's happening with the kids because it's happened around dismissal time.
It's raining now.
They did keep kids inside the building once the alarms went off, once the sirens went off.
Whoa, 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 whoa! That looks like a tornado. A huge tornado. No, you should come and look at this. That looks like a huge freaking tornado, doesn't it? Wait, let me see. See that? Look, that. Oh, yeah, that. Look at my phone.
Different dismissal times, so it varies. If you're
oh my gosh, you can see the circle. It's like rotating, right? That looks like a tornado. Look, on my phone, you can see this like circling, right? You can see like a line, like it looks like it's, you know, making like a circle. Oh my god.
That might actually sounds like they'll be able to go home shortly.
Yeah, great information there, Jen, and I'll tell you, the weather service, the emergency management did a good job with those outdoor warning sirens up and going. We could hear them inside the building. So if you have our apps, it's a good time to plug Storm Shield or our Action 3 News app. You got the warnings right away.
What? I will, maybe.
Down with that. And then all of a sudden, the weather service immediately got the warning out of location and it's by radar.
Dude, this storm is scary as fuck.
And then it looks like at least a large,
like it looks like another tornado is going to form in this area. It's so weird.
Which I bring us back to this. I'm going to step in here and kind of point out some stuff. This is a concern because this is the area that had the nasty weather here. Once again, it looks like maybe quarter size here beginning to redevelop, kind of in that same area. Once again, you see right along 144th and Center, maybe a hair west of where the tornado touched down. There's Zarinsky and a little bit northwest. As I move over here, again, you can see as we go across Pacific Street, there's Boys Town, 144th, and then back where some of our original reports are coming from Boys Town to 132nd. So there's not a severe thunderstorm.
Oh my gosh!
But once again, we are
oh my gosh!
Of hail on radar. There's still a lot
chicken musala. Chicken musala. Chicken musala. That's what. This is what I'm calling the weather now. Chicken musala. That's what I'm calling it.
You can see clusters of storms still refining. Again, especially when you get these violent cells.
Look how dark that is, guys.
Now, technically, the entire time, the tornado watch has been along the eastern Missouri River. We are continuing to watch this closely. You can see a lot of this broken up, and the stand and lift is still north, but there's just enough rotation that certainly you have to watch this very closely, at least for the next hour or two. All right, let's go back to Jim Flowers. He's back up in Bennington tracking the scores. Jim.
Hey, Ryan. It's kind of shitty up here. We followed the score all the way up 320th and Clark Cross on Bear High Road. I don't have a radar view that you guys have, but it's become pretty stratiform, and the rain's picking up again. There's been some redevelopment of some showers here. There's some lowering because the rain is falling. But this thing, when you can see it now, is nowhere near what it was, right?
Okay, yeah, Jim, good stuff there. And once again, that seems to be the reports we're getting from other spotters in the Weather Service. We don't have any tornado warnings in and around the metro right now, and it seems like there's a lot of what the cloud debris or scud cloud there. But obviously, when you get these turbulent situations, you get the winds kind of coming from a different direction, and it can look really ominous. But right now, there is some heavy rain and hail threat, but no tornado threat at the current time. John.
Yeah, some reports from some employees at the Coke building located at 144th and Dodge Street, where they said they were watching the storm spinning and forming as it began to form just to the east of them, and they said they could actually hear it. We hear big reports of that loud roaring sound, or it sounds like a train. They said that they could hear it. They saw what they described as clouds rolling into it. Still unclear yet whether it was actually on the ground or still developing as it crossed Dodge Street, the expressway there, as it continued from 132nd and then tracked to the northeast up toward 4th Street. Some interesting stuff there.
Yeah, a lot of the reports funnel clouds, but we did get that one large and dangerous, and we always err on the side of caution report of a tornado on the ground. And boy, Craig, I tell you, the Main Streets video looked like that thing was on the ground and large.
Yeah, as we sit here at about 4:25 on this Wednesday afternoon, I can tell you that I've gotten tweets from, or I should say text messages from 156th and Fort, raining very hard. Different vantage point, 120th and Harrison, same thing, raining very hard. Also, it's worth mentioning, someone in Bellevue had just texted me saying they're receiving lots of rain as well down in Bellevue, and it seems like the conditions might be favorable for another possible tornado siren sighting. So it seems like everybody at this point is experiencing the various same or similar conditions of heavy rain and lots of nerves still a bit frazzled.
Lots of nerves, Craig. I think that's a good way to describe it. Everybody's guards up. Everybody's a little on edge after looking at that picture right there on the screen. That's the tweet. Jen, is that the Main Streets?
No, this is actually, we were asking people to send pictures to icontribute@kmtv.com. So this was sent into that. We have a couple photos like that they've been popping up. Unfortunately, we don't have a location on this one. I guess I lied. Old Mill area is where it's from. So that would be around the same area as Boys Town and that area that we saw that massive funnel cloud. Here's another photo, I believe from the same person, sent to iContribute.
All right, yeah, great stuff there. And again, a lot of times, this person who sent this in, we greatly appreciate that, to our iContribute photos. Once again, a safe distance. So maybe you're standing at, say, 114th and Dodge, and you may be looking back a mile or two to the northwest. So the angle, the distance kind of varies, but fortunately, it looks like a lot of what we're seeing, people were at least far enough.
Did you do iCreate, Marvin?
Oh my god.
Film it white. Film it. Oh, it's not. It's blowy. It's blowy. I don't know if you can film it now. Oh, it's raining now. Okay, guys, it's raining in our area. Finally, it hasn't been raining all day long until just now. And those clouds forming everywhere. Dude, we've been filming for the past hour now. Look. There's been various reports of heavy rain in the area. Omaha's not that big, guys, okay? Omaha, I would say, is a 50 mile radius. No, not even 50, maybe actually, 50 mile radius. And it's not that big, okay? So, you know, when these things happen in this area, it is huge. And now it's starting to pour. I don't know, maybe very soon we're going to get hail. But look, it's getting sunny in the back. But you hear a lot of thunder, so I probably should go inside. And yeah, see?
I don't want to make the storm unhappy.
I mean, you live in Nebraska, so it's not your choice. It's not your choice to make the storm happy or unhappy. You can't do anything about it in Nebraska. And now this is our backyard here. And it's raining pretty steadily now. Pretty steadily. What? Where I'm filming this is West Omaha, very west, like by. I'm not gonna say my location. It's by. I'll give you guys this. We are past 180th and Q. We are past that area. So this is the area. This is the view from by 180th and Q. No. 180th and yeah. No. Yeah, 180th and Q. This is really close to 180th and Q. And this is where I'm filming this. No, I did not. It is stormy, and I don't think I should be outside. So. Oh, it's hailing! It's hailing! It's hailing, guys! It's hailing! Oh my gosh, it's hailing! It is hailing! It's hailing! It's hailing! It's hailing! Oh my gosh!
Oh, dude, this is hot.
I really want to film this stuff.
Let me go outside for a second.
You really want to go outside?
For 4 seconds.
Go, if you, I dare you.
1, 2.
You can get struck by lightning, that's what.
4. I know, that's why.
Right now it's hailing, guys. We've only been outside for the last 2 minutes, and now it's starting to hail. This is a little scary. Oh, that's hail. We are getting, I would say, dime-size hail. Dime-size hail. The rain's increasing. It is getting very bad out here, guys. Very, very bad out here. I really shouldn't be outside. I really shouldn't even open the door. It is really bad out here, guys. We're getting a lot of hail right now. You can see on the ground, it's like ice, but it's hail. See that? It's ice, but it's hail. We're getting now probably oh my gosh, no, hail's getting big. No, I gotta go inside, guys. This is bad. I need to stay away from windows. The hail's getting penny-sized. Penny-sized hail. Penny-sized hail. We're having penny-sized hail right now. And this is bad. This is back in my front yard. People are driving very, very cautiously. Very cautiously. As it's hailing right now. Very cautiously. Thunder is roaring. No. I think it stopped hailing now. I think it's all rain. But who knows? It could be a mixture. Because it looks like hail at the same time. Let's go back to our friend Jim Flowers and see what he has to say about this.
What was our tornado? In this video 30 minutes ago here, just at about 4 o'clock, and this is actually kind of the backside of the storm we're continuing to watch as that lifts to the north.
Oh my gosh, the rain is heavy as fuck!
A lot of very heavy thunderstorms.
If you can't get eye turn on the news. It's heavy. I can't even go outside right now, guys. That's how heavy it is.